we're gonna say bye-bye to our old refrigerator.
And we are gonna say hello to our new fridge.
So we're gonna share it with you guys.
That's why we are making this video.
Yes.
So this is our old fridge.
And we're gonna say bye-bye to this fridge.
Yes.
So we removed everything from the fridge.
Yes. And
We are waiting for our new fridge.
I'm just so excited.
Is playing with her skates. She's bored actually. She's waiting from a long time. I'm also waiting.
And I'm too bored because I'm playing on skateboard.
She made Liam.
And I'm gonna read something now.
Okay, so this is a study table. Now she will read something.
And these are Soumya's books also because fridge is coming, so all books are on my study table.
Yeah.
And let's read something.
I'm also bored. So I'm sitting in the window. Actually standing. We are new fridges on us. Yay!
And
It's back.
it's our fridge.
Yeah. So bye-bye fridge. And here is a new fridge.
Oh wow!
Wow.
How big the fridge?
Yeah, they're unboxing the fridge. Oh wow. I'm so excited to see it. Refrigerator.
नहीं अपन फिजिकल लेवल
Leave you with another video.
And please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and share.